How do we build impact as an inside sales professional? I'm sure, friends, we all know that there are increasing employment opportunities in the field of inside sales, with the world getting increasingly hybrid. Well, the question is also, how do we sustain the opportunities which we are getting in the inside sales? Inside sales requires a lot of preparedness as a professional. What are the critical elements for an inside sales training program? I think the first thing is preparing well before each and every call. Understand the KPIs of different stakeholders. Decipher what matters to the potential customers. Provide solutions for them to achieve their end goals. Research about the prospect. We have an abundance of opportunity today with the kind of data available on the internet. We can do our research pretty well. Identify the decision makers and influencers. Engage with the prospects. Get in touch with them. And definitely prepare well for each and every call. So what do we cover in our inside sales training programs? How do we meet the inside sales challenge? Reaching out to the stranger on the other side. How do we understand the compelling needs of the buyer? How do we build customer relationships with some of our prospects? How do we make customer or a prospect part of our solution? How do we influence customer attitudes and actions? How do we demonstrate service attitude, customer-centric attitude? How do we stay top on the game to build a pipeline? Building a strong database to scout the market is very, very fundamental to the job. So the theme of this engagement is how to make calls towards outbound and inbound opportunities. Understand the ways to identify the new opportunities. Build fast-paced, goal-oriented mechanism to generate results, impactful demos and business presentations, improving our daily productivity and time management, and definitely understanding what are the different ways to create impact in virtual calls. For an inside sales professional, it is very critical to constantly monitor, measure, and improve the pipeline, and they have a significant role to contribute towards the growth of the organization.